to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. I'm showing you a very quick recipe. This is something that we normally eat in Ghana. It's called Gari. Okay, now what I'm using baked beans. I know I've done this, okay, on my channel just when I started, but I just want to show something that I have discovered, that when you add to it, oh my goodness, it tastes so really good. So what I have here, I have some oil in the pan, so I'm adding some, guess what, anchovies. Okay, if you add anchovies to it, it makes it taste so good. All right, it tastes so good, guys, and I tell you, it takes it to another level. It's so delicious. So I just want to try it. Everyone that I've given this to, they love it. So I just want to show you this very big, and I need you to try it. It's a very nice meal that you can just make in just a few minutes. It doesn't take long at all because you are not really cooking the beans. Okay, we are just adding a baked beans. Some will say, oh, baked beans, but I tell you, it tastes really good. Just trust me with this and give it a go. Okay, so that is the anchovies in there. So I'm going to add some onions. I have chopped red onions that I'm adding. I want this to brown a little bit. Okay, so guys, our onion is cooked. I'm adding, this is chopped Scotch bonnets. I like spicy stuff, okay, but if you don't like it, it's optional. Okay, so I'm adding this chopped Scotch bonnet. Smells so good, so good, I'm telling you guys. Right, I have some cubes here. This is ginger and garlic cubes, and I'm adding that to that as well. It's a very quick recipe. Just allow it to just cook. So guys, as you can see here, it's nicely cooked. I've added a little bit of salted fish, but if you don't like it, you'll just leave it out. The anchovies is salty, so there's no need to add salt to it. So guys, yes, I'm adding some baked beans, 2 baked beans onto this. You will love it. It takes only a few minutes to do this, guys. You don't need to boil a lot of beans and it takes a lot of time. This is just a very quick recipe that you can do. As simple as that. So simple. Trust me on this, guys. You are going to love this. Trust me, it tastes good. Don't say, oh, it's baked beans, but I'm telling you, it tastes delicious. Try this recipe. I'll allow it to cook for about 5-10 minutes. No, not 5 minutes actually. Just less than 5 minutes because it's already cooked. The baked beans is cooked already, so let's say just about 4 minutes and I'll take it off. So guys, this is our beans done. Okay, it's so easy. You can add fish to it if you like it, but I don't like adding fish or meat or stuff to it because I like to feel the Gari, you know, back home. So try this recipe and I know that you will love it. Okay, and I'm going to serve it and let you see how delicious it is. tell you. So guys, I'm serving some in a plate. I'm just showing you how we eat it. So guys, I have the beans here and I have some Gari, okay? So you spread a little bit of the Gari. I don't want a lot of Gari, okay? So you have to not eat a lot of carbs. So I put a little bit of Gari in it. I know just a bit of it as well. It's just so you can see that it's thickening up. Okay. So that is the Gari. So I have my Gari done. I'm going to add my avocado and some not fried plantain but air fried plantain, ripe plantain, and then my food will be ready. So guys, this is my quick lunch. Okay, I have some ripe plantain. I air fried this. I don't want a lot of oil, so I air fried this ripe plantain. So it looks like fried one, but it's really not fried, it's air fried. So it tastes really good. I tell you, if you want that, I can show you how to do that as well. And I have my avocado, and this is really good. It tastes so good. I'm telling you, just try this recipe. It's delicious. Okay, and if you like this recipe, you know what you have to do. Just give me a thumbs up, okay? And please subscribe to my channel and put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching. May God richly bless you. Just try this recipe. I tell you, it's delicious. Bye.